Buya kegima omanche muri weta Kisii and Ndizi TV ni gocheragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabono mugaso asene yariganire bene gokoletera amangana mayase sengra ira iyo bwenye nabereka gokorekana kura cingongo cyonsi enye chensi citariki ni 15 mutenyo 10 umwaka wiga bwekiri bubere na 20 omanche muri inyora Chinsa mu cice mitandao asensema ya Facebook nabagatonya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensema ya YouTube nabagatonya gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ye website na watu ngwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke iritrene Fridah Kerubo na sensemo chibyoro kerelyo nigo tokobweteranere Joshua Auta chinga kitoroche omugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja agenda takoene kinga ngo ikiraniale eira aliyete chinga ki alegokora campaign yaye nabigase county ya Homa Bay nigo bagenda takuyaliga bene elinde koene kingo tangabale oburero bwa Ebola wasoa ase Chinsa mecho naboigo ase omucho Nairobi imeye chiro yage komba nigo abonjere bensemeyo bale no muichano manene magega y'ebintu byabo koyiya obotuko bogokera lero omonje muri karansa oike elinde ngomanye ase nchira yobwenye ngwera nanda sege kekeke ngomanye amange Omanche muri ingo cyaka kegima nigongo cyakera omochi o Nairobi asengo komanyibuna abonchoreri akorwa ase echiro yagikomba nigo bale no muchano omonene magega y'ebintu bakonia koyiya obutko bogokera lero korengane gati yabonchoreri akorwa asensemeyo nigo ebintu by'echi million byaya asebaganire eserikali gweso agati nabo igo kobakonya gwikira bono iga ebintu ebyo gosekerikirira omulero yo kotiboka dikera ene kigwa wikiraboneka kulinde obotuki nigo bogenderete.
Jina naitwa Francis Kimathi Motisia, mimi ndio mwenyekiti ya hii soko ya Kasusu. Hii soko ya Kasusu ilianza mwaka wa 1982. Ndio tulianza biashara katika hii soko. Na tumekaa katika hiyo miaka yote bila shida, isipokuwa 2015 ilichomeka site moja pandile. Lakini wakati kwa kwingine kulikuwa kunachomeka kwa Kasusu kuchomeka. Lakini kwa leo saa 5 tulipata habari nipikiwa simu ngaambiwa soko inachomeka kwa Kasusu. Na ngajaribu juu chini kapigia wale wengine simu wakaja na tukakuta soko already imeshachomeka ikaisha yote kabisa. Na kutoka hapo sasa watu wako na kilio kingi kwa sababu ile mali imechomeka hapo ni ya thamana ya mamilioni ya pesa. Ya pili mnajua sasa hii maisha iko mangumu sana. Sasa hii watu wana namna ya kufanya. Sasa hapo wanangojea sasa waone kama kuna namna serikali inaweza kuja wasaidie. Ndio tuone kama tunaweza rudisha hiyo viwanja zetu tuendelee na maisha kwa sababu bila usaidizi wa serikali sisi hatuna uwezo.
Majina kamili naitwa Adam Kandia aka Azonto. Mimi ni kijana ambaye nimeajiriwa huko ndani. Sasa kwa sasa kama vijana tumeajiriwa hatuna namna yoyote ya kufanya. Kuna mtu wa kubeba mtumba pia anategemea huko. Kuna mama anategemea nguo za huko. Hii soko tumeathirika hivi sasa hatuna namna yoyote ya kufanya, hatuna mahali pa kuenda pia. So tulikuwa tunaomba serikali kama itatusaidia wajenge tena maisha yetu tegemeo iko hapa. Mimi nilikuwa nimeajiriwa kuuza mtumba hizi nguo za watoto, newborns. Yeah. Na nguo zote zimechomeka, kila kitu imechomeka. Na leo ndio nilikuwa nategemea ya kuuza hizo.
Bunentere ye moyo kogendereria county ya Mombasa omugabana we county yo Abdul Samid Nasir nigo aganirie abonchereria benseme yo koligererwa ase enchira erengaine oboigo nigo ane kibuna abonchereria mbachikoru ebango elinde ko ane kibuna county yo ngo kinere ase boigo ane kibuna okwemurungani kwabo kwabeire kogotegererwa na boigo amonchereria nachiko ane kigwa elinde ko ane kibuna abonchereria benseme yo ngo konyeka bale.
Now, based on the Mombasa County Tax Waiver and Variation Act, there are 3 elements that we will be doing. One is our markets. You will recall during the campaign period some of the issues that were raised by our traders, and in a bid to boost economic growth in Mombasa. The traders suffered quite heavily during the COVID period. Now, this as well in line with the fact that we want every trader in our markets to be treated equally. That means those who are selling outside without any proper structures now need to be treated equally in the same manner like the ones who are selling inside.
Omowaziri w'ekisemi oyogosoka Professor George Magoha nigo asegetire obabekerwe egutwa kwene kibunango igakira bale kibesange igo asoko ene kibunango konyeka bale amatuko abosio chinga kyecho oboigo nigo asabire serikali gokonya aborokigo bali batali kwenyara ase aganire serikali komenta kibesa gochi ase abayiboli bali bakwenyara ase ensemeli yo gwakana school fees hanigo ayakwanete chinga kichoko bekira aborokiwa egutwa litukoligoro ase omoyegoyo.
I have seen so many Kenyans in Japan, the US, UK, and Australia doing every job in this world. When they come here, they don't even want to negotiate the job. They have been graduates, and I was reading a few days ago. I've been graduate of 1, 2, 3, and I'm working as a watchman. We are extremely idiots. A watchman is a human being, and it is very respected. It's a very, I'll tell you, if I wasn't a minister and I wasn't a professor, and my wife had no food, I would do everything in what you do to make sure that they have food. So can we respect every person working in the world? And then let us stop respecting groups and teams who steal our money from government and become heroes of society. Our men, my colleagues, the lecturers and professors, and also to tell them what I know the teachers last week. Stop valuing yourself in terms of money. You have far much more precious than money. Who have told you that you are worth a few shillings?
Tingaki oburire bwa Ebola bugendete kwenekiwa ase ensi ya Uganda bonanigo abamenyi be county ya Homa Bay bayenekirigo wose basabirwe kolenda elinda kwenekinga oburire bwo mbora tambuka gocha ase ensemeyo bakoragwa no mu county commissioner Moses Lilian nigo anyare ko bagakwenekibuna eserikali imukiri egetambukiro nabego kubika emirobiri ya bene asoko enekibuna kera oyomo asinsemecho ngolengigwale.
Homa Bay is a border county na unajua mambo ambayo inaendelea saa hii. Unajua Ebola imechipuka kule Uganda, mnafahamu hiyo, si ndio? So kwa sababu tunapakana na Uganda kwenye ziwa, we are asking all our residents to be alert. If need be, you should minimize travels, you know, particularly unnecessary travels across our waters. You know what it means. Ebola is highly infectious. Ni ugonjwa ambayo sio rahisi kutibiwa, na hiyo ndio jambo ambalo tunaomba sana wananchi wetu wawe makini sana. Kwanza katika our points of entry kule Mbita, kule Remba na sehemu zote kule Kendu Bay, tumeweka afisa wetu wakuwe makini sana ili kwamba kama kutakuwa na mtu yeyote ambaye anaingia kwetu na anaonyesha dalili za ugonjwa ya Ebola, tuwe na haraka kuripoti kwenye vitengo vya serikali na pia katika institutions zetu za afya.
Chinga kicho oboigo abo bisabo bochenu kurase county yo nigo bayenekiri bene bunamba bigete emerobili ya bene naboigo beyariganiri ase okoena na amayigeli gochia ase abamanyi boborirobo naboigo koenekibuna emerobili nebekire ya bene ase okolingolia oborirobo kolinde nigo bayenekiri buna onde bwensi oratokekane no borirobo mbabwate amaliogo aisaine naboigo mbachikolenda elinde mbora nyara ko babogo sambazwa ase Chinsa mechu.
As health professionals, we have put in place measures and mechanisms including training of our staff, equipping them with the necessary PPEs and other paraphernalia that would enable them to combat any outbreak of Ebola. We are on very high alert because of our proximity to the bordering country of Uganda. We have in place proper laboratory and referral mechanisms for samples to ensure that in case of a suspected case, we move in with speed without any single delay, and we are able to curb that scenario and indeed confirm whether it is an Ebola case, initiate treatment and management, because we have all the medicines, we have all the supplies to take care of any suspected case in this country. So I can confidently say that Homa Bay County is 100% ready.
Ubunentereye moyo goikerani eira omugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigo aimukiri egetambukiro nabo gotarira Chinsemo auchi county yo asokane kibuna obochenu ngoikerani gubole asekerengo keigoro ngokuwa na chingaki ataleta sensemo ya TRM Roisambu nigo aenekiri na chikubeka emirobili ya bene asokane kibuna ogosokiwa nabo gokoga chwa kwegoto obekire amachiko abene asokane kibuna egote yongo sangere ligwere na koirwa ase abwenerete nabo igo onde bwensi yora chikobuna lichikero na mukeligwe egetambukero kebwenerete.
I'm here with my team from the county government on roads, environment, as well as markets. We've come to see progress on our promises and the state of things as they are. As you can see, this road, for instance, this TRM drive, is in a terrible state, and the people themselves are saying that is the one thing that they want done for them. Of course, we will fulfill our promises to the people of Nairobi. But as you've seen, along the road, there's a lot of dumping. The drainages are clogged. Rains are coming soon, and then the next complaint is going to be about floods. We've sat yesterday with the sub-county administrators, with the environment teams, with our roads teams, and we've agreed that in every sub-county in Nairobi, we're going to publish the designated collection points. Once we have done that, and we'll put it for the public to know where a collection of garbage is to be done. Once we've done that, we're going to crack down on illegal dumping. And I want to urge the citizens of Nairobi, let us take responsibility. Because even as we collect, so far we've collected more than 76,000 tons, but we collect it and then we allow illegal dumping on those areas.
Umanzi omurigere korwa soro batiro nigana ikire omwelio bwa mangana maye asevire biga kolende ngo gusaba to basaguska to basakanyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange no yanyara senchera iyo bwenge inyora Chinsa mo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagatonya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na baga asensemo ya YouTube na bagatonya gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagatonya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke magachi kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo elioira gwikira sole ya senchera ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tonya kwa tukubwata nere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibyoro kerelio na nche Eliane Fridah Kerubo ngokoganilia oboligerelia obia.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. A company ya Davis and Shutleaf nigo yakorentire kimashini au shekerero icyo gutumika simirimo yawo asobo korri bwabo nigo bakonia chipamp chiriya cyo gutumike engine na boyko ichi gutumike stima nkoni abali chiriya cyo gutumika asugushyirira ebimiliya mache mugondo cha sprinkler na boyko drip irrigation boygo mbubwate chipamp chugwa kamache kurwegesima mbubwate kimashini cyoko na cyobunyansi chi generator chibirengo au chi solar panels chogo charge chi battery na koga chumuliro na boygo chiriya cyoko bwati amache mbubwata mariogo yugo sibya mache yukonywa ebyabuso n'ebintu bindi binge bigutumika asugo sibya a swimming pool nigo vakubeka chipamp chuwa kamache ichi gutumika stima gose solar kurwase chibohol gose bisima kuikase tanki yao boygo nechitaya gose birogo byogutumia sola ekero kwagurire kurwasibare nigo bagukubuguria umusigo gwikasenka yao nigo bagutoka imeyumu chukisi ase baraya hospital road angene benki ya credit ase roundabout irangi na KTRH bakirisimi ase namba inotisano nebire inotisano neseto isano nemo ibere isato isano nemo inye isano Gusii enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano neseto eyemo isano nebire marakabire Gusii enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano neseto eyemo isano nebire ibere Gusii enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano neseto isato ibere inya Davis and Shortleaf angoyobo kori imirimo bwao asogotumeka kimashini cyekerero Omaro bilyo bwechi gosori na Steven Ndemo nigo gendereire gukumanya aliya gukorekana kurwa sebirubo ao byorogo nkorwa Gusii Kenya nensenkima egati yaliyo konyora namona ababwatani kurwa sechi gosori ao kurwa sama minyoko chingundi karate umupira bwenkoyo kurwa sechi league ao buna regionals National Super League KPL EPL La Liga Serie A Bundesliga Nichinde chinyinge kera lituko lya Jumamosi kurwa Chinsa 10 chamaragoba goika Chinsa 12 chigosori imeya Ndizi TV Nkoliole nyumba kugura obule mukugura ugose property management tuwe chandanonya ekiagira Green Track Estate Agencies na bwabamanyi bwamanganaya asigi kegitambe no bale imeyumu chukisi asamagacho Ahuru Plaza lirongoli ya gatatu room number 307A gusoba kiresimi ase namba enotisano na ibere marakabere inye noti isato isano nemo Green Track Estate Agencies banyore bakwangwerie okonyoragiri utagete Sikia Jumapili ye yechitariki 15 nemo yomutinyo yoikomi umurobali ubwege singa uyokuletu asore kila litukuli Jumapili guchakira Chinsa 12 chamambia goika Chinsa nye na presenta vini ni gora chikobeje maseyemo kurwase kanisa yage tumbe Fellowship Church imeya ugembo county ya Kisii yego toka ange na Heartlight Academy amarandia ni garabeho na goika bateri ao buna Samuel Ntabo mtoto wa mama Lydia Sophie, Abi Baraka, Emma Omboga na Rogers Kangwana.